That water temperature was probably around the 40 degrees. But it's such a nice way to wake up in the morning. I feel like $1,000,000. A really cold, freezing, shivering $1,000,000. But yeah, we're gonna grab some breakfast and then go camping. Alright, I just want to talk about what we're doing here. We got into the cottage late last night, had some beers, had a good time, sat by the fire and got caught up. And now we're heading off to another lake close to where Cory's cottage is. And we're gonna do some camping, hopefully catch some fish, and yeah, just enjoy our time out in the woods. Should be fun. So this lake that we're at has this little dam that has potential for good fishing. So before we set up camp, we're gonna spend some time here and see if we can't catch something for dinner. Oh my God. Oh my God, dude. Oh, there's so many sticks around here. Damn. Oh my God, dude. Let's go. This little largemouth bass. Such a fun fight, but these things aren't in season, so we're gonna toss it back. Okay, so of course the camera died, but I just hooked into this beast. Look at that thing. Oh my God. Figure this is probably 3.5, 4 pounds. Who knows, somewhere in that range. But same thing, gotta let them go. Gotta make some bigger ones. Oh, yo, take my picture. Oh yeah. So we've been here for probably like 45 minutes and got those 2 nice bass. Like I said, they're not in season, so we're letting them go. We were hoping to hook into a bunch of perch because we're doing pork chops for dinner tonight. That would have been a nice little fish fry appetizer. Beautiful weather, nice fish. Yeah, things are looking up for us. Told this guy to bring rubber boots.
Oh yeah. I was worried that it went right down. Oh fuck, it does.
Ugh. There you go. Chili?
Fish.
Check this out. The last remaining piece of ice. I wouldn't be surprised if this is gone by the end of the weekend. We spent some time looking for a good spot to set up the tent. We got the lake right here, and this is it.
huh?
Yep.
This?
No, keep that out of the tent. Can't be having no bears knocking our door down.
I'm gonna leave your water out of the tent then.
Yeah, they get thirsty too. Right there should do.
Yeah.
Oh, these are about to be really good.
Hopefully.
So we've got our sleeping quarters all set in place. This here I'm lending to Cory. This is my old sleeping bag. It is a Hot Core R200. It's rated for -3. That's to be like comfortable out there, and -10 is the survival rating on it. So like you will survive if it's -10 Celsius, but you won't be warm by any means. This orange one here to my right is a Marmot Never Summer. This is a brand new sleeping bag that I ordered online. I'm super excited to try it out. It's rated for -12, but you'll be good from -18 to an extreme level of -42 Celsius. So this is a nice warm bag. I don't find it to be heavy at all. It's a very lightweight bag for what it's rated for. So I'm excited to try it out, and this will hopefully get me through winter camping next year as well. It should be a good sleep tonight. There's gonna be so much debris in these. You're okay with that, though, eh?
That's fine. Yeah.
All right, so we've got some nice pork chops here. We harvested these from the northern end of the grocery store. Two different types. I don't know why, but we just went for it. A little bit of seasoning salt. I wouldn't mind a bit higher heat, but this'll do. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I promise you that'll do.
You mind if I cut these up?
Do it. Holy, that's hot.
Wow, these are juicy, man. Oh yeah.
Is that good?
Oh yeah. So Cory's cooking up those other pork chops. I'm gonna keep fishing, of course. Add a smallmouth to the board. Oh yeah. Yep. I better be recording. No, got a soaker. Ah man. Totally worth it though. Here we go. Caught this bad boy 5 feet offshore. Soaked my boot in the process, so damn.
So it's the next day now. Unfortunately, all of my camera batteries are dead. So that sucks, but I've got a solar powered battery pack. So once the sun really gets up in the air, I'll try and charge them up. But all we're gonna do today is pack up and leave. Maybe make some more bagels for breakfast.